Okay, it's my turn. So I'll just put my finger here.
Yeah.
Sit down. Cross. Holy shit. I mean,
I've got you.
Okay.
Ready to go?
No. Okay.
Stand on the ball.
I did it, Arley. I did it.
I'm so proud of you.
I did it. We did it. We did it.
Watch where you set it down. Don't worry, he's just messing with you, okay?
Oh my
How was that one?
Awesome. Good.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh my God. I kept saying I wasn't going.
Once you're ready, you're gonna follow Oren, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna let you ladies know the big secret.
What's that?
This line here is broken. You're good. You made it.
What's broken?
The line we just went off, came off of.
It's not broken. I made it in one piece.
I like that. I can when you were saying, it's okay.
It's okay, Allison. It's and I heard you bust out laughing.
Now that we found love, what are we gonna do?
Ladies on the right, please.
Okay, here I go. How long is this ride?
120 meters. 120.
How long was the other one?
90.
Oh, okay, this is longer.
Yeah. Have
All
fun.
right, thank you.
Bye bye.
Whoa! Oh, I'm turning, I'm turning.
Yeah.
Wait, he's coming, he's coming.
Don't worry, stand. Take your time. Grab the cable.
Yeah.
So we all good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, don't worry. The reason why you're
Step on
connected to these things.
Here comes Arley. I can hear her. I can't see her though.
Who's coming?
Ah, here she comes.
Let go!
Yeah! How was that one, Arley?
It's fantastic. Oh my God.
We're done now, right?
Allison, you can go home now.
Come on this side.
Okay, how do I stop this thing now?
Press the red button.